Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on copying the link of your YouTube channel on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On the YouTube app, tap on your profile image or user icon in the top right corner of the home page. Tap Your Channel. On your channel page, tap the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Then tap Share at the bottom. From the Share options, choose Copy Link to save the link to your clipboard, or you can choose to send the link directly via social media. When the link is saved in your clipboard, you can paste it anywhere you would like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.